Are you over 40, feeling less energetic? You are not alone. Millions of men face fading stamina, energy, and bedroom confidence daily. This isn't just about sex, it impacts your relationships and overall quality of life. Many men notice declining energy gradually. Mornings seem tougher and firmness wanes. If you felt embarrassed or frustrated because of performance issues, know that you're not alone. Fortunately, science and nature unite to offer a solution. It restores not just performance, but also confidence and joy. Erectile dysfunction and stamina issues signal deeper problems. They often arise with age, especially in men with conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure. Poor circulation causes reduced energy and stamina. Hormonal changes like lower testosterone levels exacerbate issues. Moreover, the emotional toll of performance pressure creates a vicious cycle. Worry and disappointment can heighten these challenges. The key lies in supporting your body with the right tools to break free. Most men turn to medications like Viagra or Cialis for quick fixes. While they provide temporary relief, they only mask the problem. Side effects, costs, and the loss of spontaneity further complicate things. What men need is a solution that's safe, natural, and effective. Enter VigRX Plus, an all-natural health supplement trusted for over 15 years. It targets the root problem by improving blood flow, stamina, and desire. Used by hundreds of thousands globally, VigRX Plus is well-researched and clinically studied. This is about restoring confidence and vitality sustainably, not just masking symptoms. Unlike other supplements, VigRX Plus stands apart. Its combination of time-tested herbs and modern science optimizes results. Ingredients like Korean red ginseng and ginkgo biloba enhance vitality and energy, all in clinically effective doses. In a clinical study, users reported significant improvements after 84 days. They experienced firmer erections and greater sexual satisfaction. This isn't mere advertising hype, it's scientifically validated. Let's highlight VigRX Plus's powerful ingredients. Epimedium leaf extract improves circulation for stronger erections. Damiana lifts mood and enhances desire. Ginkgo biloba boosts energy by improving critical blood flow. Asian red ginseng sustains energy and vitality. Muira puama enhances confidence and drive. Katuaba bark improves sensitivity and mood. Hawthorn berry ensures strong circulation, supporting heart health. Such a formula targets male performance from all angles. Imagine waking up energized and confident, ready for intimacy without hesitation. Users report firmer, fuller erections, longer-lasting stamina, renewed desire, more satisfying relationships, confidence that spills into all areas of life. VigRX Plus is perfect for men eager to reclaim their confidence, especially over 40 or managing health challenges. Real men report real transformations. One user stated, "I feel like I'm in my 30s again." Another added, "After 2 months, I noticed a massive difference." Their stories reflect the tangible outcomes achievable with VigRX Plus. Many out there promise performance enhancement, but very few deliver like VigRX Plus. It boasts over 15 years of established credibility, clinical backing, and a dedicated customer base. Safety is paramount. VigRX Plus is made in facilities that adhere to strict quality standards. Each ingredient is rigorously tested to ensure purity. This is a natural supplement to work in harmony with your body. For optimal results, incorporate VigRX Plus into a broader health plan. Pair it with healthy eating, regular exercise, and effective stress management. Ready to stop worrying? Order VigRX Plus today through the link below or by scanning the QR code. Your order will be shipped directly to your door, and it's a secure process. Still unsure? Every order comes with a 67-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, simply return the product. This guarantee reflects the maker's confidence in their formula. To recap, VigRX Plus is clinically validated, backed by satisfied customers, Safe, natural, and effective. Designed to enhance circulation and stamina. Supported by a risk-free guarantee. Let go of performance worries. Reclaim your confidence, energy, and vitality starting today. The choice is clear. Don't let uncertainty hold you back. Take control with VigRX Plus. Click the link or scan the QR code now. Start your journey to a stronger, healthier, and more confident you. Your best years are ahead.